Alright guys, it's your boy Tony's Hobby Channel. We're back for the final installment of getting her back on the road. And then we'll switch over to the first installment of her actually being on the road. Yay! Okay, so anyways, these are some of the simple joys of life. Some of the simple happinesses, whatever. Alright, so we're looking at first startup as a finished product, I guess. Obviously it started up a whole bunch of times, but alright, let's try that again. Alright, she's idling. Sounds so purtiful. Everything sounds pretty good. So the next video will be, hopefully, me giving it a little itty-bitty test drive. We shall see. It's running, feels so good. A big burden, a big headache. Wanting to get it running. I would drive it right now, but there's actually a vehicle parked right in my way. As you see, see the wheel right there? So I can't just back it out and start driving. Anyways, stay tuned and we will see what happens next. Ooh, that's a cliffhanger. Ooh, stay tuned to see what happens next. Dum dum dum. Hey, that's cool, that's catchy. Alright guys, I'm out. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your Sunday fun day.